power of dreams is what sets you moving, leading to creation and accomplishments. If this is true for individuals, one can only imagine what power of collective dreams can do. Today, we celebrate the anniversary of one such collective dream, the Trainers Consortium. What started 2 years back as a social group with an aim to make a difference in the profession of training, image management, and build mutual opportunities is today an entity in itself. The group is a perfect example of how a common purpose can bind together like-minded people to contribute to the cause of mutual growth and that of the profession itself. A unique initiative of weekly featured consultant was initiated. This initiative featured capabilities and experience of the member trainers. In this journey, we made some self-discoveries. The biggest one was that together we had a couple of centuries of work experience behind us in fields of education, corporate, individuals. You think it, and we had it under our belt. A key component in the formation of the group was positivity, and every member imbibed it to the core. The good vibrations, as we still call it, aimed at creating a positive impact to the larger society. With positivity as our core, we started creating some interesting learning nuggets across the social media platforms, like making our audience aware of the criticality of image management and soft skills, how the certified consultants make a difference to the lives, creating best version of oneself, and the list goes on. The weekly campaigns created a visibility of this uniquely positioned group and a learning environment for our audience, eventually generating opportunities for the members. Today, there are hundreds of members as part of this continually growing group. Given the continuing growth of this platform, it needed a legal support structure, and TTC found that under the Futures Comp Group. The group went ahead in making its own humble contribution in times of the pandemic. Our simple actions, like making people aware of the need for responsible communication, thanking COVID warriors through our own production, and eventually doing our little bit in creating positivity, echoed with what our government and the entire country was trying to do. This was a snippet on our small little journey, which was the outcome of the power of collective dreams. Our collective experience and beliefs fuel our growth of the consortium and of every individual involved in it. There is a lot more to come. Stay tuned with us. And finally, it's never enough when we say this group is about positivity. Positivity of thoughts, changes, impacts, and a positive growth. All of it that generates the good vibrations, where it all started and where we look forward for it to grow.